In this video, I'll be talking about how you can pick a high movement stock, that is a high volatility stock for intraday trading. Okay, and also a stock which will go in one direction in a day, like almost in one single. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can pick a high movement stock, that is a high volatility stock for intraday trading. Okay, and also a stock which will go in one direction in a day, like almost in one single direction. So as you can see, the BPCL, it has given a one single direction with a good movement, that is having a which high volatility. So how you can choose every day a stock like this, as you can see. Okay, so I'll be teaching you in this video like how you can pick a stock which are having good movement like this, and which will help you to make constant profit. Okay, so to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. We'll be using investing.com, okay, for to find out this stocks which are having a good movement, and we'll be using this scanner. So I'll be informing you all about this trick, so make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So a lot of the people got into my trading program, and now they're making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. If you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. And also a lot of people who have joined us are now making profit constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys are interested and motivated to make constant profit like this, and if you guys wish to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses, you can join us now. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me tell you the secret and the tips of picking a good volatility stock. So guys, in this video I'll be telling you the part 1, that is how you can pick a high volatility stocks. So stay tuned, and in the next video, in the upcoming days, I'll be making an update for this video, like how you can make a proper entry, how you can take a good entry and exit using these stocks. Okay, in this video I'll be telling you how you can pick this high volatility stocks. Okay, so first thing is you have to go to the investing.com. Okay, once you go to investing.com, you have to go to the tools and go to the stock scanner. Okay, so once you load up the stock scanner, what you have to do is, here you can see the criterias. Here you should select, so firstly you should select the NSA here in the exchange. That's the first part. And now you should select this PE ratio, okay, and average volume and dividend yield. Okay, so these are the 3 things what you need to do, and this list will change every day. Okay, so now what you have to do is, in average volume you need to select almost like 1 million. Okay, the average volume is here, you should drag this to 1M, as you can see here, 1M. Okay, so 1.3, so above 1 million is fine, and you can keep the maximum as the same. And here in dividend yield you should put it to 5. Okay, so you should drag it to almost 5%. Okay, so yeah, so 5, and this is the maximum. So the maximum can be turned to 10 or 11. So in my case I'll just keep the 11. Okay, so 11.25. So this is the main setting what you need to do once you go to the stock scanner in investing.com. That is PE ratio. You can give, okay, PE ratio can be the default, and average volume should be from 1 million to the maximum, and dividend yield should be from 5% to almost 10 to 11%, as you can see. Okay, you can do the same setting. Okay, so once you do the same setting, you'll get the results here. Okay, so here as you can see, I got the 12 stocks. So now don't be in a confusion that you got the 12 stocks or what you should observe. You can see the top 2 or top 3. Okay, so the top 2 or top 3 will be a good stock for you. Okay, here in the list as you can see, Bharat Petroleum, Vedanta, Bharti Airtel and Hindustan Petroleum are in the first 4 list. Okay, so now let me show you the chart of this first 4 stocks, and you'll know how the performance is. As you can see, this is a BPCL chart. Okay, so it has given an almost one side direction. It is having a very good movement. As you can see, the stock opened at 352, okay, and made a low of 345. Okay, so as you can see, it fell all the way down. And let's come to Vedanta. Even Vedanta has given a very good movement to the upper side, that is an upward movement. As you can see, the Vedanta opened at 164.10 and the high made is 168.65 and the low was only 162.35. And now let's come to Infratel. So Infratel, as you can see, it has given a both side direction. I can tell, like it went up and the same way it fell down also, but as you can see, the movement and the volatility is very good on that day. So let's come to the Hinpetro, and Hinpetro is given a one side very good direction. Again, it has fell all the way down. As you can see, the open of Hinpetro was 287.40 and the high made was only 289.20 and it fell all the way down till 280.75. Okay, so even these stocks have been given a good movement. So for example, for this video I have taken 4 stocks. You can maximally choose first 2 or 3. Okay, the first 2 or 3 stock and observe it. Okay, so as you can see, it is giving a very good movement and almost you are finding an one side direction movement. Okay, so you can use this trick, okay, to pick the stock which is having a very good movement, and let me know in the comment section how you are feeling about this trick. Okay, so this is a part 1, as I said you. So soon I'll be making an video about how to make an entry and exit and a strategy using this. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn constant profit like this, and if you guys wish to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.